Hi everyone, my name is Giselle Tuyag and I am assigned to report about the core competencies and strategic work system design. So first, what is work system? The term work system refers to how the work of an organization is being accomplished. It coordinates the internal work processes and the external resources necessary to develop, produce, and deliver products and services to customers and succeed in the marketplace. So when we talk about the internal work processes, it is about the internal production process of an organization. And for the external processes, these are the unique resource type that does not directly store user account information. So for example, Henry Ford's early factories did everything from steel making to final assembly. Today's automobile companies are characterized by complex networks of suppliers that are much more decentralized. So this just means that Henry Ford's factory is making their products from the first step up to the final step without referring to any companies because there are some companies who are just making the products and they will pass it to another company to assemble the products. So as of the Henry Ford's company, they do it from the steel making up to the final assembly. So this just means that all the work that they are doing were just kept between the factory. In a generic organization, for example, we might define 3 work systems. One that addresses production of the product or services, one that engages the customer, and one that prices systems that support production and customer engagement. So I may show you a cross-functional team-based organizational chart. As you can see, the first one at the left side is the management board. They are the responsible for directing the organization. For example, of these people are the board of directors. But for the next one, we have 3. We have there the core business process team, which has the minimum individual task to be accomplished, and the cross-functional coordinating committee. They are the group of people working toward a common goal, and the regional management councils appointed to manage the state. So the next 3 teams there are the major business process management teams, which discovers, analyze, measure, improve, optimize, and automate business process. And the other one is the Baldrige Award teams. Performance, they are in charge for the performance excellence. And the last one is the quality improvement teams. It is to improve the performances. So that is all about the cross-functional team-based organizational chart. For now, what is core competencies? Core competencies refer to an organization's areas of greatest expertise that provide a sustainable competitive advantage in the marketplace of service environment. According to Gary Hamel and C.K. Prihel suggested that a core competency meets 3 conditions. The first one is it contributes significantly to customer benefits. It provides access to many products and markets. It is difficult for competitors to imitate. So this just means that the core competencies is just like the uniqueness of an organization, and it is the one who makes the organization. It was like, for example, Jollibee. As you all know, Jollibee has different tastes from the other fast food chains, and also Inasal, and no one can replace the taste of it. So it can be called that it is the core competencies. So some contemporary theories suggest that business activities that do not comprise an organization's core competency should be outsourced. So what do you mean when you say outsourcing? Outsourcing refers to the practice of transferring the operations of a business function to an outside supplier. Outsourcing is just like you're hiring some person from the outside or from foreign suppliers. So the opposite of outsourcing is vertical integration, by which certain business functions are acquired and consolidated within a firm. So for example here, a firm may purchase a key supplier to strengthen its value chain. So it was like there is a firm and there is another firm who combined and formed a great strategy in introducing their product. So that's it for the core competencies and strategic work system design.